In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can procure ship from China using 1688 and Pinduoduo without agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to buy on 1688 and Pinduoduo without using agent and import from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's get started. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yacob. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure a link on 1688, you want me to procure a link on Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or better still, you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. So, with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy from 1688 supplier without using agent. Then after that, we go ahead and move to how you can buy on Pinduoduo without using agent. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my 1688 app. So right here, you can see my 1688 app right here. So first thing you need to do is to make sure you add the product to cart on 1688. If you don't know how to add product to cart or how you can add item to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made a step-by-step video on how you can add an item to cart. After you have successfully add a product or item to the cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then take you to your cart right here. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on here to select this product. So the next thing I want to do right here is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. So you can see right here, I'm paying the sum of 37.80 yuan to purchase all these products. So what I'm going to do next is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then at this point here, I need to make sure that Alipay is selected. The next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I have to click on here to authorize the payment. So at this point here, I need to enter my payment password. So it's as simple as that. So you can see right here that this is the proof that this payment and this item was purchased successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for you to access your profile, you need to click on here. Then take you to your profile page. So by the time you click on here, you are going to see all the products you just paid for at this point right here. So let's check it out. So here you go. So this is the product we just purchased successful on 1688. So let's check it out on how you can purchase or how you can buy from any supplier on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. So let's check it out. All right, so in this part of the training, you are going to learn how to buy step-by-step on Pinduoduo app right here. So let's check it out. So I'm going to click on here now to access my Pinduoduo app. Then it's load up like this. So next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to buy this type of product right here. So I have already had it to cart on my Pinduoduo profile. So for you to check the product from your cart, what you need to do is that you need to access your profile. So right here, I'm going to click on here to access my profile. Then from the point, I have to make sure I click on here to access my cart right here. I'm going to click on here. So you can see the product right here. So I'm going to click on here now to select the product. So having selected the product, I'm going to click on here to proceed to payment. Then take me to the product preview page. So I have to scroll down and I make sure that right here my Alipay is selected and this one is checked. Then I have to come down right here and click on here to proceed to payment. Boom. So it's as simple as that. So the payment has been confirmed and it will automatically take me back to my cart, just like what you see right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is to just click on here to close the pop-up. I'm not interested to share. Then we can go back to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, then you can see the products that we just paid for right here. So if I click on here, the product move right here. So you can see the product right here. Okay, so this is how you can shop or how you can buy any item step-by-step tutorial from Pinduoduo, and also how you can buy on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to share this video for your loved one that are into importation business from China. And lastly, but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tower or on Pinduoduo, or you want to learn how you too can import from China without using agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this about importation business. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.